everyone, this is Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt, and today we are looking at a beautiful white 2024 Peterbilt 579 day cab. This truck is on the ground, ready to roll, and it's available for purchase. In fact, we have 3 of these trucks with this exact same spec on the ground, ready to roll. This truck will make a great regional type of hauler. It is a great aerodynamic, fuel sipping, and very maneuverable truck. And today we're going to take a look at it. So again, this is a white 2024 Peterbilt 579 day cab. We just finished the pre-delivery inspection on it. Got hubs, lugs, floor mats, and antennas on there. And she is ready to head down the road, busting bugs. Can get you a great deal on this truck, or if you want to do a package deal for 2 or 3 of them, we've got 3 on the ground ready to roll. Great opportunity to get a truck before the end of the year if you need something right away for whatever reason, whether you need a truck, whether you need a tax write-off, or if you need a truck for next year and don't want to pay the significant price increase to get the California Clean Idle sticker. This is a great opportunity for anybody that's going to need that California Clean Idle sticker, because the pricing for that is going to be significantly higher next year. Well, let's go ahead and jump right into the specs. 2024 Peterbilt 579 day cab. It is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine with 455 horsepower and 1,650 pound-feet of torque. Benefit of the PACCAR MX-13 engine, it's smaller than the Cummins X15. It's about 400 pounds lighter, so it should be able to get you better fuel efficiency, and definitely going to be able to give you increased payload with that 400 pound lighter weight saving. Definitely a fuel sipper, definitely very lightweight, definitely very maneuverable in tight loading stations and fuel islands. For the right application, this is really a great truck. Now, that engine is paired to the 12-speed Endurant automated transmission, which is an excellent automated transmission, different than the Eaton Ultra Shift, and the regards that the Ultra Shift Plus or the Ultra Shift is basically the same RTLO transmission that Eaton's made for a long time. It's tried and true, very well tested transmission, where they added a box to make it a automated transmission, where this 12-speed Endurant from its initial inception has been built as an automated transmission. So since day one, since they started planning and building this transmission, it's been an automated transmission from day one. It is lighter. It does get better fuel efficiency than the Ultra Shift Plus. It's just a great transmission, and we've had a lot of luck with it so far in applications like this. This truck is on a 190-inch wheelbase, so you'll be able to get it into very tight loading stations, fuel islands, wherever you need to go. It is set up on Michelin Lo Pro 22.5s all the way around. Got the 336 gear ratio on this truck, so it is going to be able to go up the hills and take off from a start a little bit quicker than a faster gear ratio that we'd have for over-the-road trucking for say like a 325 or faster gear ratio. This 336 is definitely going to pull for you, but still getting that great fuel efficiency with that MX-13 engine and the 12-speed Endurant automated transmission. Got 70-gallon fuel tank over here on the driver's side, 100 gallons on the passenger side, so you've got 170 total gallons of fuel. Did a battery cutoff switch right there. Sorry, let me point down the camera. So there's your battery cutoff switch. Got the 3 rear windows on the back of the sleeper, 2 load lights. Got your air and electric lines secured right there on the back of the sleeper, so they're out of the way. Plenty of deck plate space. We've got the Holland FW17 fifth wheel. It's a little bit lighter weight than the FW35 with an air slide on there. All disc brakes, taper leaf front suspension, and the low air leaf rear suspension. Get a look in there at the disc brakes. Hopefully it's showing that. R2. Do have the spring-loaded mud flap hangers, LED backup and tail lights. Deck plate access over here on the passenger side with the grab handle right there on the exhaust fairing. There's your 100-gallon fuel tank over here. We did the single back of cab exhaust right here. Didn't skimp on some details on here. You do have the stainless steel visor. Got the chrome on the mirrors right there. The chrome trim piece right here on the hood. And the stainless steel chrome front bumper. No Bendix Wingman Fusion, so no anti-collision system on here for those drivers that don't like that. Take a look inside the cab here. It's a Prestige interior. Again, very lightweight. Stamped weight from the factory is 15,120 pounds. So you can get a sizable payload with these trucks. Fire extinguisher, hazard triangles, and your toe pins right there. Inside that bag is your floor mats. Even though we did the rubber floor on the truck, we always like to add the floor mats on there. You can see we've got a keyless entry. These are the Mordura upgraded cloth seats. I really like these Mordura seats. The vinyl that you can get from Peterbilt is really nice. But man, unless I'm going like the full leather seats, I do really like the Mordura upgraded cloth and these more, I hate to say fleet style specs, because there's definitely plenty of details that we did not skimp on this truck. Of course, we've got our new digital dash. 43 miles on the ticker, so the new owner will be the first person to sneeze in it. Your smart wheel with your cruise control, Bluetooth, and audio controls all right there on the steering wheel. Got 4 physical gauges in the B panel, in addition to the digital dash. Your dual cup holders, and of course, your cell phone holder right there. Hey, family. In addition to those cup holders, we have the double cup holder and thermos holder right here in between the seats. Little storage spot right here. And again, you've got the 3 rear windows on the back of the sleeper. So seeing out the back is super easy. And of course, that is the best view in trucking. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. There's a look at your PACCAR MX-13 engine. 455 horsepower, 1650 pound-feet of torque. That's funny, it says 456 horsepower.
If we need that extra push over the cliff, you know what we do?
Put it up to 11.
11, exactly. 1 louder.
Why don't you just make 10 louder and make 10 be the top number and make that a little louder?
These go to 11.
All right, I guess this one's got 1 extra. We do also have the battery jumper terminals right here underneath the hood. Again, the taper leaf front suspension. And as I mentioned before, all disc brakes on this truck. Great stopping power, lasts a long time. Should not experience brake fade as much as the drum brakes can. Closing the hood is very easy with the tilt down assist. Again, take another look at the stainless steel bumper. You notice we did not spec this truck with the LED headlights. So in the event that you need to replace those headlights, they are very cheap, or I shouldn't say very cheap, much cheaper than the LED ones. If you do want to swap them out to LED, there is OEM and aftermarket options for that as well. So there's a look around this white 2024 Peterbilt 579 day cab. We've got 3 of these trucks on the ground, ready to roll. As I said, great deals available on these trucks. If you want to buy one or multiple, we could certainly put a package deal together for you. We'll fly you and or your driver here to pick up the truck, take care of your hotel if needed. If we need to ship the trucks to you, we've got that availability as well. Got some other trucks available. Got some really nice Peterbilt 389s available. Factory is sold out until the end of the year, but I've actually got multiple of those trucks available on the ground as well. Give me a call. My name is Travis Quadlander. I'm here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. My cell phone is 817-504-7220. Hablo Español. Puede llamarme a 817-504-7220 or come see us at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt right here in Irving, Texas off of Loop 12 in Union Bower. Want to thank everyone in the trucking industry. I know it is extremely tough for the trucking and transportation industry right now, but y'all are truly the backbone of our country and keep us running when we need you the most. We really thank you and appreciate you. We're going to do everything we can to serve you to the best of our abilities. Thank you so much. Look forward to hearing from you. Drive safe.